Yep, you read it right. I spent $438.99 just to lose about 8.3 pounds.
Was it worth it?
Nah,
Was it responsible?
nah.
What was the reason?
There was no reason, you fool. Here's how it happened.
Since this is my track car, I decided to remove the rear seats and have a roll cage installed. But right now, I don't have the required resources to make one because I am broke and have responsibilities. And I'm broke. So, as an alternative solution, I decided to buy a rear seat delete kit. I thought this would be an easy install, but it honestly just gave me a headache. Taking out the rear seats were pretty simple. Just give it some oof, and it just pops right out.
Oh boy.
But the headache came from removing the hardware. Now, the video I was watching at the time, they recommend you to use power tools, but I didn't have power tools with me, so I had to use my good old fashioned non power tools, and that was my first mistake here. Taking some of these suckers out requires so much force that I just wish I was the Hulk or, a Karen on her, second cup of pumpkin latte. And some of the hardware was a nightmare mainly because of like how it was located and
It's
annoying.
musty.
The headache continued when I installed the kit. The Canon event of losing my 11mm of my car happened to me, and I was flabbergasted, which is something. So now, there's just one lone 11mm and somewhere in my car right now. So that's fun. I ended up just ordering a new one, but then I ran into a new problem. I'm not sure if I just got a faulty kit, but the holes would not align as it did in the video, and I looked to myself and I realized, dang, I just blew $400 on a mistake. So as a temporary solution, I ended up using zip ties to hold it down for now. But, the kit was temporary, so I'm not too upset. Um, After installing it my way, it doesn't look too bad for now, I guess. Was it a good use of money? No, not really. But you live and you learn, right? All right, so and this is all temporary. Anyways, now I gotta figure out what to do for my next thing for my track car. Until then, have a good day.